What's the meaning of airdrome? Airdrome. 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 Airdrome.
Airdrome is a term used to describe an airport or airfield where aircraft can take off and land. It typically refers to smaller, less complex facilities compared to larger international airports. Airdromes may be used for recreational purposes, emergency situations, flight instruction, or small commercial operations. They often have fewer amenities than larger airports, but are important for providing access to remote areas. In summary, airdrome is a term used to describe a smaller, more basic airport used for a variety of purposes and usually with limited facilities and services.